Ever feel like you're juggling chainsaws when it comes to your website?
Chainsaws.
Yeah, SEO, speed, making sure it doesn't crash. You got a million tabs open, a different login for everything.
I say keeping all those plates spinning.
Exactly. It's
Yeah,
exhausting. And honestly, who has time for that? Wouldn't it be amazing if there was just one tool, one dashboard for everything?
that would certainly simplify things, wouldn't it?
Well, get this, Kurt. We've been checking out this platform called Screpy, and it might just be the answer to our website management prayers.
Screepy. Interesting. Tell me more.
It's like, imagine if your website had a brain. Okay, maybe not literally, but you know what I mean.
A central hub where all the vital functions are managed.
Yes, it brings together SEO analysis, speed optimization, uptime monitoring, all powered by AI.
AI. That's a game changer. So many website owners are drowning in data but struggling to extract meaningful insights.
Right. And that's what's got me so excited about Screpy. It's not just about gathering data, it's about making that data work for you, helping you make smarter decisions.
And ultimately, saving you time and headaches.
100%. Okay, let's break it down, starting with competitor analysis. Why is this so crucial for any website owner?
Well, think about it this way. In the online world, your competitors are like shadows, constantly lurking.
Ooh, spooky.
But seriously, you need to understand their moves, what's working for them, what keywords they're targeting.
It's like playing chess, right? You've got to anticipate your opponent's next move.
Precisely. And Screpy gives you the tools to do that. You can track their keyword performance, see how they're ranking.
Wait, so I can see which keywords my competitors are crushing it with.
Exactly. You can see how those rankings change over time, spot any trends,
So I can see if they're suddenly ranking for a keyword I'm targeting.
and then adjust your own strategy accordingly.
This is brilliant.
And remember, it's not just about looking at the raw data. Screpy uses AI to analyze those search engine results, those SRPs, and uncover hidden opportunities.
So it's like having an AI detective working for you.
You could say that. It helps you see the bigger picture, understand the subtle shifts in the landscape.
So I can refine my own SEO strategy, focus on the keywords that really matter.
And ultimately, boost your visibility, drive more traffic to your site.
This is all starting to sound very strategic, less of the throw spaghetti at the wall approach.
Exactly. It's about making data-driven decisions, not just relying on guesswork.
I like it. Okay, so we've got a handle on the competition, but what about our own website? How does Screpy help us make sure our own house is in order?
That's where the comprehensive website audits come in.
Website audit. Sounds intense.
It is, in a good way. It's like taking your website to the doctor for a complete checkup.
I see, making sure everything is running smoothly.
Exactly. Screpy scans your entire site, looking for any underlying issues that might be hurting your performance.
Like what kind of issues?
Well, things like broken links, for example.
Broken links. Those are so annoying.
They are. And they can really damage your SEO. Screpy also checks for missing meta tags, which are crucial for telling search engines what your pages are all about.
It's like speaking their language, right?
Precisely. And then there are things like mobile usability.
Oh, that's huge these days. Everyone's on their phones.
Right. Screpy analyzes how well your site performs on mobile devices.
So it tells me if my site is mobile friendly,
Yes. And it also checks your page speed.
because no one wants to wait around for a slow website.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And of course, it analyzes all your on-page SEO elements, these like heading tags, content optimization.
And making sure I'm following all the best practices.
Yes. It's a complete and holistic audit.
Okay, but here's the thing. What good is a website audit if it just tells me what's wrong? I need solutions.
I was just getting to that. The beauty of Screpy's audit is that it doesn't just point out the problems. It gives you actionable insights and recommendations.
So it's like, here's what's broken, and here's how to fix it.
Exactly. It gives you a clear roadmap for improvement.
Love that. Okay, we've talked about competitor analysis, website audits. Now let's dive deeper into keyword tracking.
This is where things get really granular.
So we're not just looking at keywords in general, we're tracking specific keywords for our website.
Exactly. Screpy lets you monitor the exact ranking positions of your pages for the keywords that matter most to your business.
So I can see if I'm moving up or down in the search results.
Yes. And you can see how those rankings fluctuate over time.
And if I make changes to my content, I can see if those changes are actually having a positive impact.
That's the idea. It gives you that real-time feedback.
This is so much better than just checking my rankings once a month and hoping for the best.
Absolutely. And all this data is presented in clear, easy to understand reports.
So I don't need a PhD in data science to figure it out.
Not at all. It's all very user-friendly.
Okay, I'm sold. Keyword tracking is a must-have. But let's be real. What's the point of all this SEO wizardry if your website is down?
Touche. That's where uptime monitoring comes in.
This is like a website's worst nightmare, right? Going offline.
It can be a disaster.
Yeah.
Loss of traffic, potential revenue loss, damage to your reputation.
Yikes. So, how does Screpy prevent this catastrophe?
Well, it monitors your website 24/7.
So it's constantly checking if my site is up and running.
Yes. And if it detects any downtime, it sends you an instant alert.
So I can jump in and fix it right away.
Exactly. You can minimize the damage and get back online as quickly as possible.
Ooh, crisis averted.
And it's not just about basic uptime monitoring. Screpy also tracks your site's performance, so you can see if there are any recurring issues that need to be addressed.
So I can get ahead of any potential problems before they become major headaches.
Precisely. It's about proactive website management.
I like it a lot. Now, we've talked about all these amazing features, competitor analysis, audits, keyword tracking, uptime monitoring, but there's one more thing I want to dig into.
And as a...
The AI-powered content creation aspect.
Ah, yes. The AI article writer. This is where things get really interesting.
So this AI can actually help me write content for my website.
That's the idea. It's designed to help you produce high-quality SEO-optimized content more efficiently.
Wait, hold on. Does this mean I can fire my copywriter?
Well, not necessarily, but it can certainly help you streamline your content creation process.
So how does it work?
You give it some basic information, your target keywords, your target audience, and the AI generates a well-structured article.
Wow. And is the content any good?
The quality is impressive. It's not just spitting out random words. It's producing readable, engaging content that's also optimized for search engines.
So it's like having an AI writing assistant.
You could say that. And it even gives you SEO suggestions along the way so you can make sure your content is hitting all the right notes.
This is incredible. It's like having an SEO expert looking over your shoulder.
Exactly. It's all about helping you create content that performs well.
This is a game changer. Okay, so let's wrap things up. We've covered a lot of ground here.
We have. From competitor analysis to AI-powered content creation, Screpy seems to offer a comprehensive solution for website management.
It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your website. But the real beauty of it, from what I'm seeing, is that it brings everything together in one place, one platform.
Absolutely. It eliminates the need for multiple tools, multiple logins, multiple headaches.
And it uses AI to connect the dots to help you see the bigger picture and make smarter decisions.
It's about empowering website owners to take control of their online presence.
Exactly. So if you're out there feeling overwhelmed by the sheer complexity of website management, if you're tired of juggling a million different tools,
And if you're ready to embrace the power of AI to simplify your life,
then you need to check out Screpy. Seriously, do yourself a favor and take a look. You can find the link in the description below.
it's definitely worth exploring.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insightful discussions. See you next time.
Until next time.